Okay. Oh, it's recording.
Hi, this is Tim with Highmark Communications, and today I'd like to show you how to register one of the 400 comms to the 400 base station. Now, if you're used to the newer comms, you will find that there is no registration mode, there is no menu with these. They're all registered by using dip switches, little tiny switches inside the headset. So the best way to register one of these comms is first you locate the battery compartment. In that compartment will be a rubber plug that hides a series of little dip switches. If you grab one of the comms that you currently have at your business and you take the rubber plug out, note the position of the dip switches in the comm that is currently working. Then, with your new comm, you'll also remove the rubber plug. And I know this may be hard to see on camera here, but there's a bank of little dip switches in there, so you may need a bright light and possibly a pen in which to flip the switches up and down. And you simply flip the switches into the same configuration as the comm that is currently working. That will put this particular comm on the correct frequency for it to operate with the base station. And at that point, you can then, of course, plug in your headset, put the battery into the comm, and then the comm, as you can hear, will be registered to the base and functioning. Another way that you can also, if you don't have a headset, another comm handy to identify what position the switches are in, you can pull this knob at the top of the base station. When it opens up, if you look at the radio board here, you'll see a bank of dip switches. These dip switches will match the dip switches that you find inside the comm, and if they are correctly configured, in other words, the comm matches what you see here on the radio board of the base station, then it'll be on the right frequency and it will communicate. Be careful when you're opening this particular door not to let it slam, because sometimes these connectors can suffer for that. So just be careful when you open and close the space. If you have any questions, of course, give us a call at Highmark. We're happy to help you. Thanks and have a great day.